What's up, y'all? Thank you guys for tuning in for another video. So today you can see that I got a new toy. It is a Central Machinery 7x14 bandsaw, and this thing is freaking amazing. When I got it home, I did a test cut and it cut so fast. So this will speed up a lot of projects and stuff like that. Cutting tube, y'all know I had my other small bandsaw, which has been very, very good to me. It was by Clutch. It served this purpose, but we had to get that junk out of here, you know what I'm saying? We had to take it out the game. So we got this big bad boy right here, which is water cooled. You can see that it has the hydraulic cylinder. So, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gotta sit there and worry about, you know, trying to hold it all that woo-wah. I got it for a super good deal. Thank God that I was able to find it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. But yeah, so in today's video, what we're going to be doing, guys, we are going to be stripping this thing down. We're gonna do like a little time-lapse thing. We're gonna strip this thing down, get it ready, you know, pretty much for get it ready for paint. It's got a lot of grease and stuff like that. Oh, you know, oil and cutting oil and stuff like that. So once I get this thing stripped down, I'm gonna scrub it down, wipe it down clean, and put some primer on this thing. And this is the color I'm gonna be going with, is the, yeah, see that, focus, 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 yes. But it is light forward gray, so gonna be throwing that on there because there's this John Deere thing that it's got going on is not gonna cut it. But let me show you guys a close-up of what it looks like, and then we just gonna jump straight into this video and get it rocking and rolling, baby. Y'all can see all the grease and stuff like that, or oil or whatever you want to call it. But yeah, this is the spout for the water cooler. That's the water cooler tank down there. All this stuff works. We had it in 2 pieces. So, I mean, I gotta put the screws back in it, which I do have, which is right here. Here's all the hardware and stuff like that. But everything works, and like I said, I just wanna clean this thing up, maybe change the gear oil. The blade is still in good condition, so I don't know how these bearings feel. I'll see how they feel once I take them off. And if I need to get new bearings, I'll just get new bearings. But yeah, pretty straight, in good condition. Y'all can see, big ass blade. So we're gonna get this back shiny, paint all this green, gray. So I'm gonna set you guys up on a tripod, and man, I'm just gonna get straight into it. I'm tearing this thing down. Hopefully I don't get any of the bolts mixed up when I go back to put this thing together. The motor is freaking massive, man. If y'all can see this in person, it looks kind of small on camera. Y'all can see right there. It's huge. So hopefully the lighting isn't too horrible in here. Like I said, we're just gonna get to breaking this junk down. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you guys for watching. Y'all can see that we got this thing pretty much stripped down. I need to remove, I want to keep that tag, and I want to keep, I guess, like little stuff like that. And try to peel that off. I don't know if I will be able to, but y'all can see all that's off. All this stuff is off. I really hope I know where to put this shit back to. Probably what I'm about to do now, because I really want to, is get the wire wheel and shine this back up. Shine that up and maybe spray this thing down with some simple green and give it a little, you know, quick wipe down. It's getting dark outside. I don't want to be out here all night. Plus your boy a little hungry. But I want to throw the wire wheel on this right quick and shine this up, because I just know it will be so satisfying to see how beautiful it turns out. All right, so we got the, I guess you could say like the firm bristles on here. So I'm gonna try to go in the grain of, you can see the pattern a little bit. I'm gonna try to go in the grain of that and see if we can get some of this rust off and maybe get it back to looking shiny. So let's try it out. Yes, sir. I got it back shiny somewhat. It ain't as shiny as I would like my old bandsaw, but we got it back shiny, y'all. Super smooth too. Not gonna remove that wheel. Probably just gonna paint the inside of this black. to save some time. But I will try to get this right here, all this stuff gray. I'm gonna sand this down maybe lightly with like some Scotch-Brite. I don't know. Hopefully the primer will stick to it real good. I may spray like some Bulldog on it to make sure it adheres to the paint, because I really don't want to try to take this all the way down to bare metal. I don't want to be doing that. But this thing is stripped down, man. I got shit everywhere. So I'm probably just gonna try to neatly slide it over there in that corner somewhere to the side. I pretty much got everything kind of like spaced out to where it needs, you know, where it goes, the bolts and stuff. The bearings feel pretty good, so I'm not gonna disassemble this and try to do the bearings. I'm just gonna spray these down real good. Yeah, probably just gonna spray these down real good, wipe them down, blow them off with the air, but that's good. Probably gonna paint this black, paint this shit black, sand all that down. I'll probably get some aircraft stripper and try to get that off so I can get all the way down to the metal on it. I don't know. But I'm gonna spray this off right quick with some degreaser. Give it a quick little wipe down. Alright, so we gave it a good wipe down, got it clean and stuff. Probably gonna take some, I got some acetone, get a clean rag, wipe it down real good. Pretty much taking everything apart, everything seems to be intact. I gotta clean all the parts and stuff like that, this little small stuff. But it's stripped down, ready to be primed and painted. So yeah, that's pretty much it. for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the little vibe out, you know, enjoyed the music and stuff like that. This is pretty much, like I said, just a little small video breaking this down. Give you guys a video, something to watch. You may be home bored with nothing to do. So, hey, here's the video for you. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching if you made it this far. I love you guys. Hopefully in the next video, we'll be painting this thing or something, putting it back together. I'll figure that out. But yeah, once again, till next time, we out, y'all.